but I'm going to take it a couple steps further and actually give it some references in what I want what I want each slide to be. So I'm going to say, slide 1, a title slide. Let's call it Wiser Drones Monthly Performance Review. Slide 2, I want to do a table sales by product for the top 10 products. Slide 3, I want to be KPI cards of top level vendor and advertising performance. Slide 4, I want to be call this KPI cards. Again, these steps are optional. I've definitely, in testing this, just said, build me a slide of vendor and inventory performance, and it comes with something pretty similar, but just to give it the best results, this is typically a best practice of lining out what I want to be a part of my presentation. So here I'm saying KPI cards of my inventory status and low inventory ASINs. 5, table of my top spending campaigns and their total performance. Let's say include ROAS, clicks, CPC. And then slide 6, give me insights and action items across the data we pulled. So you can see here, we're on our title slide like I told it to start with. It gave it their name, Wiser Drones Monthly Performance Review, like I had mentioned. Gave it date range, the date it prepared it, and it used the title slide I gave it as my template. Next, they gave me my top 10 products by ordered revenue. Those ASINs, the title, some of their other performance metrics, scorecards of my vendor and advertising performance summary, overview of my inventory health, inventory by ASIN, so my top ASINs that are running low on stock, like I had mentioned for this slide. And again, this formatting is all just from the template that I gave it. If I wanted to edit this, I could give it different templates. I could edit the skill. Top 10 campaigns by ad spend, and it pulled in the metrics that I gave it, ROAS, clicks, and CPC, as well as a few others. And then it gave me some key insights and action items. So my ad sales went up, portfolio that's doing really well, and it's giving me a recommendation to increase my budget against it. Retail revenue is softening. This ASIN is seeing increases in order revenue, right? So it's giving me a good baseline of things that I can start to share with my stakeholders as insights and action items. One thing that I think is really cool that I want to call out here, this is only if you're a Claude or Copilot user that this functionality is available, but I can actually bring Claude into my PowerPoint app. If you haven't done that and want to be able to do that, I can share resources separately on how to set that up. But you can see here, I actually have a Claude chat in my app. And if I wanted to make quick edits to this, I could easily do that here. So maybe I want to add, instead of click-through rate, I want to see my cost per click. That's not on here, right? So I can say, change the CTR scorecard to CPC and repull the data from Intentwise, Wiser Drones. This Claude here, even in my PowerPoint, still has access, and I'm using AI Gateway to pull that data. And you can also just give it the CSV file here as well, and it will work through that.